After REST framework, I'm going to install another package called djoser. Djoser provides the endpoint for user registration, user login, and activation, email, set password, and many others, which we will utilize in this application. It also provides the flexibility of JSON Web Token, JWT, or you can say JWT. So I'm going to install the djoser package. So djoser package has been successfully installed. Now I'm going to install another package, that is Django REST Framework simpleJWT. Why it is necessary? Because I'm going to use JSON Web Token in this application. For this purpose, Django REST Framework simpleJWT is necessary to install. It has already been installed with djoser. You can see here. So I have just checked whether the simpleJWT was installed or not. I'm going to add djoser and REST framework simpleJWT into the installed apps. I'm going to close it. For authentication purpose, REST framework demands default authentication classes. So we have to define default authentication classes in our project. REST framework provides basic authentication and session authentication. But here we are utilizing the JSON Web Token authentication with the help of simpleJWT. So we will use the default authentication class from the simpleJWT package. I'm going to copy and paste it. I'm going to remove it and I'll utilize the package simpleJWT authentication.jwt authentication. It is the authentication class which we are going to utilize in our REST API.